Let's talk about BRITA MAXTRA water filter cartridges pack of 12. Packaging may vary. MAXTRA cartridge reduces limescale, chlorine and other impurities. Fits all BRITA MAXTRA jugs, partner kettles and Tassimo machines. Cartridge replacement, 4 weeks 100L using hard water. 100 recyclable and convenient ring pull handle for easy exchange. These were supplied as MAXTRA rather than the pictured old MAXTRA, and they are rubbish. They filter extremely slowly, to the point where you think they've stopped. Why do companies always have to mess with things that work well? Not as per the picture. Receive the MAXTRA, the newer version and universal. We already have experienced one of these filters and really don't feel it fits properly. Disappointed that not received what is advertised, but our local store only stocks the newer version. Half the price of my local supermarket and genuine BRITA filters. Our water isn't great, so we tend to filter all drinking water and for tea making also. We probably average use 4 liters of filtered water per day. BRITA recommended changing the filter every 30 days, but I find we can go at least 3 months at a time, probably more if I wanted.